buddies, ready na bala kamo this holiday season? Karina sa Binalbagan, kang mag-enjoy sa opening of Christmas lights this coming December 6. Come and join us. See you!